Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Dionne Woods. I'm with the Turquoise Iris. Just in case there's someone on here and this is your first time. I'm in the middle of painting a piece of furniture and I've been popping on here every single day since I started. So we're really just about to wrap this day up. We're about to wrap up this furniture makeover and I wanted to just give you guys the very last step to being completed, and my hope is that I can have it staged in the next day or two. Hi, Michelle. The next day or two, so I can have it staged and ready and available for one of you guys. I'm going to do a quick little run through and all the things. Look at all the hearts. Making me feel good right now, ladies. I feel you. I feel your hearts. Thank you so much. Hi, Ma Marlis. Hi, Raylyn. Oh, there's your little profile faces popping up, smiling at me. Thank you, guys. All right, this is like part 6. Haven't even sanded yet. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'll just jump right into it because I'm starving and I need to eat. Okay, so this little washstand, we took the back off because I don't really do all the things and the, hi, Q. Hi, Carol. Hi, Bridget. I don't do the stand, the towel bar things. I don't even know where that is. Actually I do. Yeah. Thanks, Q. I'm excited to see the bed you're working on too. Hi, Nikki. Hi, Karen. You guys are awesome. It's Saturday night and you guys know how to party like myself. Party with the paints. All right, so crinoline. I use all DIY paint. It's a clay-based paint and I just absolutely adore it. So just right off the bat, that's what I'm using. I use crinoline. Then this middle color, I wanted to do a boho style ombre piece. So we're going horizontal from side to side. So I only used 3 colors here to get this, but it ends up being about 5 colors. So I used crinoline, which is our creamy yellow, and it's over there, so I can't reach it. Yes, Michelle, got it. This middle color is skeleton key, and it's like a vintage historical color that's kind of a gray, and sometimes it looks like it has a little bit of green, it has a little bit of blue, and then this color down here is Mrs. Fantastic Bohemian Blue. She is my favorite, and Matt had me put this baby on rollers so it would roll a little bit easier for you guys. Okay, and then I came back in with a little bit, you see like a little bit of pink color. It's actually copper. So I've taken Golden Ticket, which is our, oh, thank you, Nikki. I so appreciate it. I'm glad you guys like it. We're going to do the top together here in just a second. We're going to really soften it. So the Golden Ticket, I just mix a little marquee in there. Oh, thanks, Josie. Thanks. So I use Paint Pixie. I've used my Paint Pixie brushes. Blending is really made easier with the Dusty brush from Paint Pixie. It's our 3-inch brush. It's wide, and again, it's over there, and I'm down here. So I'm not going to show you, but I will show you the wax brush that I'm getting ready to use. It's the Lil C, and all I did to get this entire look was I took the IOD stamp, which stands for Iron Orchid Designs, and it's the Rose Toile. I do have one left if anybody's interested. I believe I do have one left. It's this stamp. Now you can pull them off of here, but I did it in a random pattern. Hi, AJ. I did it in a random pattern. The little of the script is here. Guys, you can use these over and over and over. But I literally just rolled the paint on and then just smacked it on there in a random fashion. So I have a big bouquet here. I have another big bouquet here, and then I have one of the smaller ones. Then I got a wild hair. And I grabbed our colors Queen Bee, Fancy Farm Girl, and a little kissing booth. And I just kind of went in just in some of the flowers. And let's take a closer look. I just went in a little bit with, can you kind of see that? I didn't fill in all of it. I wanted it to look vintage and random and just totally whitewashed it with white wax. So I did put the original hardware back on, but I covered it in a white wax last night and really softened the intensity of the gold. So it doesn't really stand out, but it just really goes with the piece better, I think. The green-gray color is called Skeleton Key. And Kay, I have an affiliate link for you to use if you want to try some, if you want to order it. I do have a link for you that I could pen here for you just as soon as I get done, if you would like. Cindy, I don't have the, I have some of them online, but I don't think I have this one. Online. I don't know why, but for some reason, I don't. But we do have other online retailers. So let's look for that here in just 1 second. And I'll tell you exactly how many stamps I have. But what I did was I put the white wax over it after I sanded it because, again, I don't want it bright. So it's got a little French look going. It has a bohemian look going. And frankly, it's just fun. So I carried it onto the top last night during Friday Night Live. And then I colored in some of the, so the script and the outline is old school. It's our dark, Josie, I may have it. I don't know if I have that particular. I have several online. I have a lot of the stamps. I have some of the Painterly Roses. If you go to the turquoiseiris.com, there's a tab called IOD, or I may say Iron Orchid Designs. I'm not sure, but all of what I have is on there. But I actually think I have one of these Rose Toile available. And when I'm ready to get up off the floor, I'll look. I'm being totally lazy. So right here, like I said, I'm going to sand it and I'm going to bring the camera in closer. And then we're going to put the white wax. So we make the top look like the front. And then we're going to be almost done. Not quite, because I still have the sides to do. So this side, instead of doing a little bit of ombre on the sides, I literally just did this side Bohemian Blue and I did this side Crinoline, okay? And so I'm gonna put one bouquet on each side. And so let me look and see what I have in my stock and inventory. Originally I thought it would look beachy. I'm so happy it doesn't, only because I love French style. I didn't know what direction we were going with that, Josie. I really had no idea. I wasn't feeling it until I decided on coloring in the stamp, and now I'm totally feeling it. Okay, so let's see really quickly in my stash what I have. I could be lying, like it's really possible that I'm telling things that aren't true about what I have. I hope that's not the case, but Indie Folk, okay, I have the Indie Folk. Am I lying? Tell me I'm not lying, people. Tell me I'm not lying to you about what I have. Okay, so it's just going to be best to go to my website. I think I'm completely out. I have the wreath builder for those that are interested in the wreath. Carrara marble. But online I have more of the Painterly Roses, so you can stamp the roses on here and then fill them in with color. Then I have the Birds, Branches, and Blossoms. I know I have that one. And another one, but I'm drawing a blank. Okay, so let's move this in closer and we're going to get started. But first we have to sand. So this is 320 grit. It's just my little sanding sponge. I'm just going to lightly go over the top of it and then I'm going to wipe all the dust from the paint off. Thanks, you guys. Thank you, Josie. You can't wait to see the photos. All right. So I'm just lightly going to go over this. I don't want the brightness. Okay, right now the color is really intense and I really am just not wanting the brightness. So we're going to just soften it. You don't have to give it much pressure at all. It's going to come off a little bit. And then we'll white wax it. All I want to do. So we're on day 95, guys. Day 95. I keep waiting for you guys to say, not you again. Come on, lady. I keep waiting. All right, so let's soften this up a little bit. I'm gonna grab my Paint Pixie Little C. earrings off. I feel like I'm bugging you with my earrings. Hang on a second. Do y'all hear it clicking? If you do, I apologize. Give me just 1 second. Let me take off my earrings. I think that's the noise that I'm hearing. Okay. So this is the wax from DIY. It's the softest wax ever. Anybody on here ever used our waxes? Oh Lord, they're so easy to use. All right, you guys see how that just really softened it a lot? I could use some more if I wanted, but I think I'll leave it like that and just decide whether that's going to be enough. And then we can come over here. I love the short handle of this brush. It's so easy to maneuver. I just love this. Thank you guys for the hearts and the shares. Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate you showing up and not being ugly to me and telling me, not you again, lady. All right. All right, I really like that. I really like it. Let's do a little bit more over here. So if you missed the colors, guys, the teal color over here is Bohemian Blue. Then the middle color is Skeleton Key. And then I finished with Crinoline, which is this creamy color that I'm putting the wax over. It's not really changing the color of it, but of course I want to put wax over the whole piece. So then tomorrow I can come and use my buff brush, and I'll show you that. That's this guy that I use. So tomorrow I'll come in and do that and buff and shine it up and really give my wax a solid finish. You will see me doing it, you know, right afterwards sometimes because I get so excited. Someone asked me on my YouTube channel earlier today why I was waxing in a direction up and down rather than in a circle. I don't have an answer for you other than that's the way I wanted to do it at the time. That's the best answer I have. That's the way I felt like it should look, and I don't know if that's the right answer, but it's my answer, so that's what I have for you. All right. So we've got a nice smooth finish. I'm going to take my paper towel and just kind of go over it a little bit in case I have any heavy globs somewhere that I'm not seeing. But I'm really happy with the softness of it. It's very delicate and feminine, and of course, well, I just like that. That gives it that French boho look that I'm after. Okay, so the top is done. So all we have left to do, which I will be more than happy to show you guys tomorrow, is put the stamp on the sides, which the way we do that is we take a flat plate or a flat something, and then just pour your paint out, use the brayer, roll it on there, and then do this. And then take the stamp and place it on there. So I'm going to do one big bouquet on the crinoline over here, and then one big, oh, thank you, Gail. I am really happy with it. So hopefully if I can get it done tomorrow, then I'll have it staged and ready and available on Monday. So hi, Margie. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. If you have any questions, ask now. Forever hold your peace. I'm here until I go eat my bean burrito. Actually, I'm going to go start on I'm going to continue to work on another piece. I have another painting of a lady that I'm working on. And the last two have been sitting in chairs. And if you don't have a clue what I'm talking about, then you're going to think I'm crazy right now. But I also do canvas art. And so these big pieces are 3 feet by 3 feet. I sold Amelia. Emma is still available, and I'm going to paint Madeline tonight and finish her, hopefully, while we're watching a movie. But I'm going to have her laying down on her striped towel. So anyway, I'm super excited about this, and I'm just like, I can't wait to get in there and paint and grab my brushes. And speaking of Amelia, hi dear. So there's this piece. Michelle, thank you for the hearts, and thanks for the shares, you guys. We're on day 95, so I'll be back tomorrow for day 96. Oh, and I have a guest coming on with me tomorrow. Her name is Anissa Moriarty. Anybody heard of her? If you haven't, she's the owner and artist at Nis and That. And you're welcome, Sharon. And she's going to come on with me tomorrow. I was going to say as a surprise, but I just ruined the surprise. So heads up, Anissa will be with me tomorrow. We're going to probably do evening after we both had dinner, and maybe she can get away for a few minutes. And we are going to answer a few questions about our upcoming class that's available at theturquoiseiris.com. She's going to be joining me for a paint class September. Nope. Why do I keep reverting to September? In February 16th. So for you lovebirds, Valentine's, looking for a gift, come see us in class. But anyway, she's going to be on tomorrow with me, and I will work on the sides and have Anissa on. It'll be a great time, so I hope you can join me tomorrow. I know you guys love Anissa, those that you know of her. Excited to see Anissa with you. Yes, she's got a bunch of stuff going on. So hopefully you can join us probably around 7 or 8 is my guess. Is this tutorial? Sorry, I'm answering questions. September, I can come, right? You can come to, actually, here's what's going to happen in September. Here's the plan. I'm going there in September. So the plan is what she and I planned, because she's opening a studio. So the plan is actually that I'm going to that area in September. But if nothing's set in stone, who knows what will happen and what will come up in both of our lives. But we talked about doing a class here and then me doing a class there, because she would like to do that there as well. So you guys, thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful Saturday night, and I will see you back tomorrow. Thanks so much.